Okay, so next on review is that, guys. That is a easy holding grip, mate. Made out of a bit of plastic, mate, and there you go, like that. Okay, you sit your airbrush into the top, and then you get a little connector. So while we're still filming, I've turned my compressor off just to bleed the air out. So that's what you normally get into it. Alright, so just uncouple that like that. Okay. And I think that we're going to slot that into there. You see that drop down like that, guys? In fact, I tell you what, because that goes on, I'm going to do it this way, look. I want to nip that up onto there, and that's my extension. That you do get that in that little kit, and then that just drops into there, look, like that, guys. And then your air hose then just couples onto end like that, and before you know it, I mean, how easy is that? You've got a little gripper, you've got two little sort of recesses there for your fingers, and you've got a channel there for your thumb so that you can still get in. Now again, when you encompass this little piece here, right, just for your how much airflow that you've got coming out, I've locked my trigger in, just break that off like that. Okay, and that fits in your hand just like that, look, guys. So your thumb into there like that, little piece, little pistol grip. Okay, how much are these, guys? £5.60, about £5.60, something like that. I'm going to turn my compressor on, back to test the subject, and a bit of darker paint. Okay, we've gone for an XF50, a dark blue. I'm just going to let that build up a little bit. So yeah, it's got a little, I don't know if you can see that there, guys, look, it's just got three little sort of dimples there, just for a bit of texture. And your bottom fingers, your two fingers, they just sit nicely onto that. I don't know how it's going to perform as far as, because ordinarily you're sort of like this, aren't you? You know, you ain't got it, you're not holding it like that, because look at where the end of my finger is now. But we'll see how that goes. It seems to be okay. It feels quite comfortable. It's light, it's very light, there's hardly any weight in it at all. Couple of grams. Pipette for a bit of paint. So while that air pressure builds up, that's pre-thinned XF50, and again, for them that didn't watch first video, what I normally do when I get a Tamiya paint and I bring it home is I take the lid straight off, and I get some of this and get that into shot, guys. So that's your X20A, that's your Tamiya thinner, and get rid of that, I don't want to paint that. And basically what I do, I take the lid off, pipette, some of that, straight into the top, couple of millimeters off the top, lid back on, and then check it. And that's good for life at paint. I know some people say, oh no, you shouldn't do that, and I know a lot of people that say, yeah, that's exactly what I do. Well, it's what I do, and then you don't have to thin that paint anymore. Compressor's knocked off, which means that we're up to pressure. Just check that, back of my glove, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so I've cleaned my airbrush out after I put this sky blue on. So a little bit of paint into there, like that, and then get rid of that. How's the gun? Always lid back on, and again, it's to stop me from knocking it all over the place. Just get rid of that little spill there, mate. Okay, so pistol grip, so there you go, that's how it looks. And go on, what you got, mate? Oh yeah, turntable. Turntable, there we go. Plonk that onto there, back of my glove. Now then, let's have a look at this. So I'm holding it like this, end of my finger. That's sort of, my hands are massive, mate. That's just sort of digging into there a little bit. I've got, because you can't hold it like that with your finger onto the trigger, because you just haven't got the control all control with airbrush, it's all about fingertip, as you know. Just get a little bit of paint out. Right, let's see how this works then. So let's turn spray booth on. Alexa, power on. Fantastic. Okay. I just want to feel how comfortable this feels in my hand. I want to start on a big bit on it. So finger down, back for paint. Again, it doesn't matter about me painting. We're not here to analyse that. We're just trying to sort of see how this feels in my hand, this pistol grip, and to see if I still get that same trigger control. It's good actually, that, because it actually feels a little bit better, that, guys. You've still got that. I always use this as well at the back end to limit how much air and paint I've got coming out. So as far as your finger control's concerned, it's okay. You don't feel too bad at all. It's quite comfortable, that, in your hand, mate. Just gonna a little more squeeze. And even single-handed, I mean, I've just used my other hand just to get a little bit of support. But I'm still getting that control that I get with just using airbrush as a standard sort of thing. My fingers have got something to rest on, you know, instead of like being on your O's all the time. I'm very conscious of this little part here. Just with my thumb in. That's better. Yeah, that's loads better. I suppose it's practice, mate, isn't it? It's like all else. When it's new and you have to get used to something. Like that. Coming across the door. I wonder how that'd feel to a left-hander, guys. And I'm not a left-handed person at all, but my left hand's absolutely bloody useless. Good for turning turntables round, but I'll tell you what, to start with my weaker hand, that's not bad at all, that, mate. Just switch back to it right. That's good for a left-hander, actually. Is it? It's like a... It is. It's... If you look at it, it's sort of square on. It hasn't got no bulge on either side to say it's for a right-hander or a left-hander. It's same on both sides. So whether you're a right-hander or a left-hander, it'll fit the palm of your hand. mate, like that, down that window. It's not stopping me from getting into tiny places either. Now I know you car builders, you'll be saying, what is he doing? But I'm not a car builder, not by any stretch. I know that there's a lot more processes into painting cars, what you guys do. That's not what this is about. This is about just me getting a finger control on this grip and seeing if I've still got this, because this is what counts. This little mechanism that you've got with your finger, where you're controlling how much paint comes out of your airbrush. Like that. That's alright, that, mate. I'm quite happy with that. I think one of the points that they sell this on is the fatigue aspect, on that when you're painting with just your standard airbrush down for paint, that you can get a little bit of cramp in your finger. And it feels comfortable, it's alright. There's no more extra strain on my fingers from doing that, because I know that once you've bought your airbrush and your paints and your thinners and absolutely everything else, if you're like me, you're constantly looking for next little gadget to buy. I've run out of paint to buy and to use, and for just a little over a £5, which is what, a couple of pints of milk and a loaf of bread, that's actually not too bad. That's not bad at all. I know that you can buy the proper purpose-built action airbrushes that have got this trigger mechanism down here at front, but that's not what this is. This is just to aid that little bit of comfort. I'm just spraying air now because I've run out of paint. So yeah, it's not bad. Get that finger up there like that, look, and then get that sat comfortably in your hand. I think you'd be all right with that. Just a little over a £5, and you get the green, you get the grip, and you get that little extension piece in as well. And you saw how easy that was to couple up. It's simply just attach it to your airbrush, drop it in, and then put your hose onto the bottom. That's all right, that. As far as taking it off is concerned, to clean it, well, it's just a reverse really, isn't it? I'm not going to take it off because I want to clean it. In fact, I will. I'll clean my airbrush out. I just want to clean my airbrush out. And just see how easy it is then to take it off and to use it. You know, if you want to take your needle chuck out at the back, just going to get rid of that. And I have a little tub here. Spray that through. Blow that back. Take that out. That's okay, that. Just get majority of this out, guys. Just to get a quick wash through, mate. And then just a little flush out with water. Just going to knock my compressor off now. And I'm going to turn my spray booth off as well. Alexa, power off. Spot on. Absolutely spot on, mate. Lids on. Get your lids on. Like that. So to take it off, I suppose you can just bleed your hairline. Get rid of that, and then it just comes out. Look, it's that simple. Can you see in there? Look, mate, you've got your hole, and that literally just sits in like that. So a little bit over a £5. That's what you get. Okay. It looks like it's ambidextrous. There's a couple of little timples on here as well. There's a couple on there, and that's just so that you've got, it's nice, it's all right. And then you get that bit there. Look, guys, that just sits in there. £5.60 from BARTSHARP. That's all right, that, mate. Any comments, or if you've got any questions, stick them on video below, and I'll see what I can do for you.